Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview in 2026. So first of all, you need to open Tradingview. After that, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, simply click on the search bar here on the top, then launch any of the charts in front of you. Just like I have opened the chart of AUD USD here. Now sometimes the left toolbar or the top toolbar or the bottom panel disappears and it feels like TradingView is broken, but it usually just a few settings. So as you can see, currently I have basically enabled the full screen, and as you can see, it is not showing me any of the toolbars here. So this can be the reason in your case as well. If you are using the full screen mode, you won't be able to see the toolbars here. So in order to get out of this full screen mode, you just have to simply press the escape key on your keyboard, or you can also basically hover over to the top. Here too, you are going to see the option of cross. So when you click on that, you will be able to exit the full screen just like so. And this way you are going to get your toolbars available again. Now, even after doing this particular step, the toolbar is still missing. You can just simply click on or the right click on this particular chart, then click on the option of settings. After getting the settings, you can look for the option of appearance tab here. You will find the options which are relating to the chart interface and visibility. So here you need to make sure that the toolbars, UI and the elements are enabled. So once these are enabled, you just have to close the settings. Now, if your toolbar is still not showing, the easiest fix to simply reset your layout. So here you just have to simply click on this box. After that, select the option of chart layout. You can also click on this drop down menu and then you can get access to the layout settings. So in the layout settings, you will see the option of reset. So you just have to click on the option of reset in order to basically reset your layout. You can also search for any other layouts and you can add them over here. So you can also switch to another saved layout from this list. So this forces TradingView to reload the full interface and restores all the missing panels. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.